Hello everyone. So today's class we're going to study about the microbiology and introduction to microbiology and also the history of microorganisms. So coming to this, what is microbiology? Microbiology is nothing but in the name itself it is located as study of microorganisms. So we call it as microbiology. Okay, study of microorganisms is known as the microbiology. And see, for an example, what are the microorganisms? It is going to be fungi, bacteria, algae, etc. These are the microorganisms which we have going to study. So this is called as microbiology. So what is the size of this what size is going to be these microbes? In the sense, it varies in size ranging from 10 nanometer to 100 micrometer to macroscopic. Okay, so it varies. And also these virus can be in nanometers and the bacteria can be in micrometers. Fungi, helminthes, these can be in millimeters. So every microorganisms will vary in their size, not same. Okay, so coming to the introduction, microbiology is the study of microorganisms, as I said already. So usually it is less than 1 millimeter in diameter. Okay, yeah, so these can magnified to be seen clearly, so it should be magnified. Okay, and also it's a great diversity in living organisms. Yeah, we can see everywhere, the microorganisms can be seen everywhere in the nature. Okay, if you go to some hot springs also, there will be a microorganisms. If you sit something in a place also, there will be a lot of microorganisms. If you don't wash, not only if you are in not in a good appear, then it will be a full of microorganisms. It's truly untrue. Okay, everybody, the world is full of microorganisms. Yeah, and so the study of microorganisms, that is microbiology, is very important aspects. Okay, so if you want, you can take a screenshot of it so that you can make a notes. Yeah, okay. Yes, coming to the next, specializations. Okay, specializations of microbiology is, it can be seen in agricultural microbiology. Means in agriculture also there are lot many microbes. Okay, in air, that means atmospheric microbiology. In air also there will be a millions of microorganisms which can affect the human health also. And also aquatic microbiology, dairy microbiology, food microbiology, medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, and soil microbiology. Food microbiology and dairy microbiology plays a very important role, because in dairy products also, everyone who are studying food science, which are going to prepare a food, they study a lot of microorganisms. So their microbiologists are hired to avoid contaminations. And also some of the microbes produce certain enzymes which are used to make certain products, dairy products. Yes, coming to this branches of microbiology, in the branches of microbiology there are certain microorganisms. See, for an example, virus, bacteria, fungi, parasite, algae, protozoan, fungi. And these are the studies what you have going to call. See, if you study the virus, it is called as virology, and bacteria, it's bacteriology, and fungi, it's mycology, parasite, it's parasitology, algae, it's phycology, and it's protozoa, it's protozoology. Yeah, in some cases, if you are going to study the history of microorganisms, see, if you are going to study the history, it plays a very important role. And in certain marks it is going to ask in 10 marks questions. Okay, coming to the history, as I said, microorganisms are present in the diverse world. Okay, its diversity is very huge. Okay, so in the ancient days, a Greek man, okay, his name is Thucydides. He's the first person in 400 BC, means before Christ, to state that the disease could spread from infected person to others. He is the only man who said that the disease could spread from one person to another person. But in 1665, Robert Hooke invented cells, and also cell theories have been made. Okay, cell theory in the cells, all living cells are made up of cells, these have been implemented, so this is called as cell theory. And also after certain days, he it also said that, in the sense, the cell theory also says that all cells existed by pre-existing cells. Okay, some pre-existing cells are present to exist a new cell. It's called a cell theory to spread the disease to plants, animals, or humans. Okay, which is the curse of god, they are going to thought this one. So this is the history of microorganisms, and also you can take the screenshot of it. Yes. So next, coming to this, after that, there will be a development of microscopes by Leeuwenhoek in 1670. It magnification of 200 times. Okay, it magnifies 200 times more than that. And in 1760, this John Needham tells that theory of spontaneous generation. Okay, in 1770, Leghorn provides evidence that microbes do not rise spontaneously, and he also boiled the broth for 1 hour and then sealed he sealed the flask. So then no microorganisms appear for 2 to 3 days. He concluded that air is necessary for generation of microorganisms. Yes, it is a main point that air is necessary for generation of microorganisms. If you kept anything in the air, then it will automatically microbes will get attracted. This will be a point from Leghorn. Then also Louis Pasteur and John ended the controversy of spontaneous generation and gave new inputs for development of microbiology. And this is the history of microbiology. You guys subscribe, and I thought it will be a useful video. And any important or topics required, you just comment below, we'll discuss regarding that, and I'll just provide you notes. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and bye bye.